Hi, I'm Andy Parrish with the O'Fallon Fire Protection District, and I am proud to have served this community since 1991. Through the years, I've seen us respond to more emergency calls than ever before, and the equipment and facilities we rely on are in need of updates. Our fire trucks are some of the oldest in the area, and it costs more and more every year just to maintain them. The life-saving equipment we use every day, like our heart monitors, radios, fire hoses, need to be replaced. And our fire stations, some over 20 years old, require maintenance and updates like concrete repairs and new HVAC systems. With Proposition F, we have an affordable solution to these challenges. The district can issue bonds with a zero tax rate change proposal. These funds can only be used for capital improvements and equipment. By maintaining our emergency services without changing your tax rate, we're keeping our families, our businesses, and our first responders safe. We're protecting the investment we made in our fire district and saving money on maintenance and repairs. We encourage you to learn more about Prop F on our website. We are here to answer any questions you may have, and please remember to vote Tuesday, April 4th.